All right, let's check in with First Alert meteorologist Lauren Whitney with another look at our First Alert forecast. It's like spring all over again. Where's winter?
Yeah, not here. We may see some more mountain snow later this week, but right now it is a little windy in the Denver area. We're kind of the windy spot right now. It's gusty from Fraser through Georgetown and then Broomfield all the way out towards Bennett and Hudson. So not everyone's super windy, but there's a little bit of a breeze out there for sure. Let's take a look at what's happening tomorrow. The wind increases even more. We have a high wind watch that will start at 8 a.m. This covers most of the foothills and Front Range mountain areas. We could potentially see gusts up to 80 miles an hour. So it'll be dangerously windy out there in many areas tomorrow. So if you are planning to travel to the high country, just know parts of I-70 are going to be really tough out there. And then as we head into southern Colorado, the wind's not quite as strong, but the fire danger is high. We could see gusts potentially up to 35 miles an hour. Very low humidity. We know it's dry down there. So again, there will be some elevated areas of fire danger on Tuesday as well. The rest of us will be windy as well, just not quite to that threshold of the 80 miles an hour. Right now, we do have plenty of cloud cover out there, but still some warm temperatures, and it is a little bit breezy. So for the rest of the day, we stay on the cloudy side. It's a little bit breezy. Temperatures are mild as we get into Tuesday morning. A little bit of cloud cover, a little bit of sunshine. Early afternoon, could start to see a few flakes flying around parts of the high country. But then as we head into the late night hours, that snow will intensify a bit more and stick with us through Wednesday. Now, Wednesday night, we may see some moisture here in Denver. 63, though, right now in Denver, 59 in Boulder and Fort Collins, 50s out east, 30s, 40s in the high country, 65 today in Denver, 66 in Boulder, 64 in Fort Collins, low 60s for the most part out east, mid 40s in the high country. And for our super 7-day forecast, this is not a typo. Tomorrow, we're looking at the chance of 70 degrees in Denver. The daily record high is 71, so we could possibly tie that. And then we stay in the 60s throughout the rest of the week, a little bit more moisture possible Saturday night and into Sunday.
Lauren, thank you.